Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by identifying who owns the content and what rights they grant. This is step 1. Verify license type, Creative Commons, public domain, or a paid license, and note any restrictions. Once done, request written permission when the license is unclear, and save emails or invoices as proof because YouTube disputes hinge on documentation. Make sure to timestamp when you obtained permission, and prepare to reference exact timestamps or license ID in your upload notes and description. Next, secure clearance for all elements, audio, video, images, and music, explicitly including YouTube use and monetization if you plan to earn revenue. Then, make your use transformative. Add commentary, criticism, or a creative remix that changes purpose or message. This improves fair use arguments. Once you edit, document how you transformed the material, notes, timestamps, and comparison clips, because you will need to explain why your version is different if a claim appears. Finally, upload with full attribution. List license type, owner name, and link to permission in the description so YouTube reviewers see context immediately. If content ID or takedown notices occur, respond quickly. Submit a dispute with your evidence, and file a counter notice only if you legitimately believe you have the right. This can trigger legal consequences if wrong. Troubleshooting tip. If you hit repeated claims, hire an IP specialist and keep all permission records handy for a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.